Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stay AFK in Roblox without getting kicked out of the game. First, you'll need an auto clicker. This is a small tool that presses your mouse automatically at set times. It helps Roblox think you're still active even when you're not. To get the auto clicker, go this website and download the exact one that I am downloading. It's safe, free, and easy to use. Once it finishes downloading, open your downloads folder and double-click the file. This will open the auto clicker's control panel. Now let me show you how to use it. The default key to start and stop the auto clicker is F6. But if you want to use a different key, click on the hotkey settings button. Then click on the field that says start and stop and press any key you want. For this example, I'll press the number 2 key. After that, click OK to save your changes. Now every time you press 2, the auto clicker will turn on. Press 2 again and it will turn off. Next, we want to make sure the auto clicker is clicking fast enough to keep you in the game, but not so fast that it causes problems. You'll see 2 boxes labeled milliseconds. These control how quickly the auto clicker clicks. The lower the number, the faster it clicks. You can set both boxes to 10 if you want to click every 10 milliseconds. That's fast enough to stop you from being kicked, but not too fast to cause issues. Now open Roblox and launch the game you want to stay in. Once you're in, find the chat box where you usually type messages. Move your mouse cursor over the text input area. Now press your hotkey to start the auto clicker. The tool will begin clicking automatically, which will stop the game from thinking you're away. You can now leave your keyboard and walk away. As long as the auto clicker keeps running, Roblox will think you're still active and you won't get disconnected. Just make sure your computer doesn't go to sleep or the auto clicker will stop working. That's all you need to do to stay AFK in Roblox without getting kicked. Thanks for watching.